Hey guys! Kyla here and welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys is another unboxing and phone review. At ang phone review natin guys is the Pro version for the Redmi Note 14 series, which is the Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G. So para sa inyong kaalaman lang guys is meron na rin akong ginawang phone review and unboxing ng 4G and 5G version. So if you want to watch that video guys, the link is in the description below. But for now guys, let us focus on the Pro version for the Redmi Note 14 series, which is the Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G. So ano pa hinihintay natin guys? Let's go and start the unboxing. And now let's start with the unboxing. So as we open the box guys, we will see here a SIM ejector tool. And here we also have some papers, which includes the quick start guide and warranty card. We also have here a protective case. And inside the box, we also have here the Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G. We also have here an adapter with 45 watts turbo charge. And lastly, we also have the Type-C USB cable. The Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G is available in 3 different colors. We have the lavender purple, coral green, and midnight black. It also has a 3D curved design. And in fairness guys napaka-premium look ang meron dito kay Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G. At bonus points pa guys na meron siyang 3D curved design guys. It has a thickness of 8.4 millimeters and a weight of 190 grams. Now let us check if this is a dual SIM or a single SIM. Now as you can see here guys, this is a dual SIM. And additional information lang guys, ang ating Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G, it doesn't have any audio jack. However, it does have an IR blaster. And now let's talk about the display of the Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G. The Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G has a 6.67 Crystal Res AMOLED screen display, and it also has a resolution of 2712 by 1220 resolution. The display of the Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G offers sharp visuals with vibrant colors, thanks to its high resolution and AMOLED screen display. It also has a 3000 nits peak brightness. The Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G also has a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. At dito sa ating Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G, it also has a 120Hz screen refresh rate. You can expect to have a better and smoother animations dito sa Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G. And now let's talk about the performance for the Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G. So para sa kanyang processor guys, it has a MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultra, which ensures a efficient performance for daily tasks and gaming. And thanks to its processor guys, it also handles multitasking smoothly. At dito sa ating Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G, it also has 3 variants for its storage. So the first variant that I will mention is the 8GB of RAM with 256GB of ROM. The second variant is the 12GB of RAM with 256GB of ROM. And lastly, the third variant is the 12GB of RAM with 512GB of ROM. So dito guys is napakasulit na nito dahil mayroon siyang 12GB of RAM and napakalaki na storage, which is the 512GB of ROM. So ito ay napaka-perfect for gamers and vloggers or to those who prioritize large storage capacity. And I will also show you guys the benchmark score for our Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G. So as you can see here guys, this is very high for a mid-range phone. At dito ay mas maganda siya compared sa kanyang predecessor na 4G and 5G version. Up next is the IP. For the IP guys, this has an IP68. So thanks to the IP guys, kahit basa ang ating screen or kahit basa ang ating kamay, is pwede natin gamitin ang ating Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G. And for those of you who do not know, IP stands for Ingress Protection. So itong Ingress Protection, ito yung nag-protekta sa ating mga phones against water and dust particles. And now let's talk about the speakers for the Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G. So for its speaker guys, this has a dual speaker. And this is by Dolby Atmos yung kanyang speakers guys. Up next is the gaming. So for its gaming guys, is napakaganda nito for gaming. At ito ay well suited for competitive gaming. It can handle high frame rates and give you a smooth performance. Up next is the battery. For its battery guys, it has a 5,110 mAh battery. And it also has a 45 watts turbo charge. So dito guys is naka-charge ako from 0% up to 100% in just 57 minutes. And now let's talk about the camera for our Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G. So dito guys sa ating Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G, it has 3 cameras. So dito nakikita nyo na parang 4 camera setup siya, but actually it only has 3 camera setup. So yung isa dito is the flashlight. So again, for our Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G, it has a triple camera setup. So syempre uunahin natin ang kanyang main camera. For its main camera guys, is nag-upgrade ito siya na kung saan meron siyang 200MP OIS main camera. And it also has a 1.65 aperture. And it also has an 8MP ultra-wide camera with 2.2 aperture. We also have here a 2MP macro camera with 2.4 aperture. And we also have here a 20MP front camera with 2.2 aperture. And now guys, sa kanyang rear video recording guys, it can record up to 4K recording with 24 or 30 FPS. So dito guys, biruin mo yun napakaganda nito kasi meron siyang 4K recording. So napaka high quality nito guys. And also guys, another additional info about its camera is kapag nakaset tayo sa 1080p, saka mo may experience ang kanyang 60 frames per second. So the 60 frames per second is not available on the 4K recording, pero available na siya kapag naging 1080p siya. So dito sa 1080p, pwede mo siya ma-switch from 30 FPS or to 60 FPS. At dito sa kanyang front video recording guys, it has up to 1080p with 30 or 60 frames per second. So dito sa kanyang 1080p front video recording guys, you can switch between 30 FPS or 60 FPS. Now here are some few pictures and videos for you to see. So as you can see here guys, napakaganda talaga ng quality niya at napaka high definition. As you can see, napaka-sharp talaga yung nakukuha niyang images and high quality. And now let's talk about the price for the Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G. So as I have said earlier, meron to siyang 3 different variants for its storage. At syempre, for those 3 different variants is magkakaiba rin ang pricing nito. So for the first variant guys, we have the 8GB of RAM with 256GB of ROM, which ranges up to 16,999. And for the third variant naman guys, we have the 12GB of RAM with 256GB of ROM that has a pricing of 17,999. And lastly, yung pinakamalaking storage, which is the 12GB of RAM with 512GB of ROM, It has a pricing of 19,999. And that is all guys for today's video. Thank you very much for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So that is all guys. See you on the next phone unboxing and phone review. Bye!